কক্সবাজারে শুরু হয়েছে ৩ দিনের অংশীজন সংলাপ, সরাসরি চলে যাচ্ছে সেখানে।
Nan Sen Refugee Award in 2023 for his documentary and storytelling work. And also another speaker will be after him, Miss Zaitun Nara, a student, photographer, poet, and researcher.
Thank you so much, Salma and Mr. Kimong and Ms. Lucky for moderating this event wonderfully and very nicely. And thank you so much for inviting me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Honorable leaders, distinguished stakeholders, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sahad Zahiru, as introduced by Salma. Today, I'm very honored and grateful for giving me this opportunity to stand before you and share the voice of my community. First, I want to express my profound gratitude to the Honorable Chief Advisor of the Interim Government of Bangladesh and the Foreign Ministry of Bangladesh and the chair of TRC, our Sir Mizan Rahman, and other stakeholders and who are joining this conference, this stakeholder dialogue on Rohingya issue. So, and thanks for giving us a chance to express our opinion, to share our perspective and opinions and
দর্শক, কক্সবাজারে শুরু হয়েছে ৩ দিনের অংশীজন সংলাপ। এতক্ষণ সরাসরি যুক্ত ছিলাম সেখান থেকে।